everybody, and welcome to our channel. So I'm going to do 3 unboxings. This is stuff that my husband purchased and I purchased. Before I start this video, I want to let you know a lot of the stuff that I purchased is because I'm going to have Invisalign. The reason I can't have braces is because I already have a lot of markings from me having anxiety and ADHD, and I bite on the side of my gum, so they don't want any of that to happen, so they chose for me to do Invisalign instead. So I'm going to start that journey soon. So I got a couple things to start that journey. So okay. So I got this little cosmetic bag. It has like little teeth and stuff. I thought it was super cute. And then I also have to have my wisdom teeth removed. So picked up this. It has 3 ice packs, or 4. Is it 4? 4 ice packs, and you just put it around. I might have to have some help. They gave me a little card, hope everything goes well, and a thank you card. And apparently they're hot and cold gels, so that's really cool. So I got that. Okay, let's do this one next. Alright, so this is my husband's. He's doing some workout stuff, so he got some pre-workout. And then I got this Get Your Smile On. It is a foaming cleanser for the Invisalign. So it's a little pump. I'll show it to you. So it's just this little thing right here. This was on sale, so I went ahead and picked it up to see if I like it when I get my Invisalign. I wanted to make sure everything is taken care of before I start. That way, everything's all done and I don't have to worry about anything. Okay, this next one I think has like a weightlifting thing for Dylan, and I think it's got 2 of my things. Okay. So yeah, this is his weightlifting belt kind of thing. He got, oh, okay. Okay. So maybe put like that. And then these are Chewies in this container. So these are what I will be using to set my aligners in. They just look like this. So I got 2 pink ones and 2 purple ones. Alright, that is gonna be it. Thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.